Hi students, today we will be discussing about the important chapters for NEET 2026 re-examination through which you can score more than 140. Now, if we look through the question papers from 2021 to 2025 for 5 years, we can see the important chapters are majorly biomolecule, GOC, chemical bonding, hydrocarbon, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, amines. Basic concept of chemistry generally comes max 2 questions. Chemical kinetics, classification of periodicity among 8 P block and D and F block also comes under. Coordinated coordination compounds are very important. Apart from that, structure of atom is important. Thermodynamics is important. Alcohol, phenol, ether, haloalkanes, solutions, and equilibrium. These are the main chapters which you should go for. Apart from that, what statistics we have seen between the 2024 re-examination and before also, and so does it goes with the 2026. It will be expected that major questions will be coming from biomolecules, from amines, from DF block, aldehyde, carboxylic acid chapter, coordination compound, P block elements. GOC is very important. Classification of periodicity, chemical bond, molecular structure along with structure of atom. Very important. Two number of questions you can expect from chemical kinetics, which is very consistent for last 5 years. So does chemical bonding, molecular structure. It always gives you 2 to 3 questions for sure. From equilibrium, 2 questions you can expect. From basic concept of chemistry, 2 to 3 questions can be possible. For amines, it can be 4, it can be more than 4 also. Highest number of questions has been asked, that is number 6, which has been just done in 2024 examination. Same goes with biomolecule, 6 question, around 6 question actually came from biomolecule in 2024 examination. On an average from biomolecules you will find 3 to 5 question coming per year. Same goes with aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acids, which generally gives you minimum 3 questions, max it is 4 number of questions. Hopeful that you will find this video helpful. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below to let me know what do you think.